Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you ready to learn how to add motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro? Let's jump right in. First off, you'll need to decide where you want the motion blur to go. For me, I'm looking to add it to a specific speed up section in my video. Now that we've got that sorted, click on the new item icon and choose Adjustment Layer. Drag this adjustment layer onto your timeline. Make sure it spans the section of your clip where you want the blur to be. Okay? Now head on over to the Effects panel. Type in Directional Blur and drop that bad boy onto your adjustment layer. Next, double-click on the adjustment layer to open up Effect Controls. Here, you're going to want to add a keyframe for blur length at the beginning and end of your adjustment layer. After that, skip forward a few frames from the first keyframe and set your blur length to around 10 or 20, depending on your taste. Do the same thing near the last keyframe. This will give your video that silky smooth blur. You can add an ellipse mask to your effect. Click on the Create Ellipse Mask tool, tick the inverted box, and mess around with the feather settings. This will keep your subject in focus while blurring out the edges. And there you go. So, what did you think? Drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next one.